Hi everyone, this is Dr.Ch Sandeep, Associate Professor from Mechanical Engineering Department, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, and today we are going to discuss about hydraulic press. We are going to discuss on metal forming process. In metal forming process, we have hydraulic press. So, by hydraulic means this will operate with hydraulic oil. So, this hydraulic energy is converted to mechanical energy. So, in this is the complete body of the hydraulic press. So, this is the oil tank in which the hydraulic oil is there, which will get the pressure, and this is the motor, and the oil will come to this pipe, and this is connected to the cylinder and piston. Okay, this piston is called as the ram here, and the upper part of the die is the complete setup of the die. The upper part of the die is connected to the ram, and the lower part of the die is connected to the base of the die. And this is the progressive die what we are using in this hydraulic press. So, in the hydraulic press, we will get the output in step by step, whether you want to have piercing, blanking, or any bending operation. Step by step, progressive. That's why it is called as a progressive die. And if you want to change to compound die, then in a single stroke you can get multiple operations. Now we are using the progressive die to perform the hydraulic press operation. The die is manufactured for the material GI sheet, galvanized iron sheet of 0.8 mm thick and 20 mm width. So we will perform the operation now. So this is the main switch. When we on this, the motor starts running. Now the oil is pumped with the help of this motor to the cylinder so that we can apply the pressure onto the workpiece. So you are inserting the workpiece into the die. Slowly apply the pressure with the help of this lever so that the die comes near to the workpiece. This is the first step. This is the operation what we are getting. And next, so this is the second one. Like this, progressive, step by step we are getting the operation. And next step. This is the final product what we want to get. This is the combination of piercing and blanking. So like that. So progressively you are getting the operation step by step. Now to get this final object, we need 3 steps. So this is my final product what we are getting. Now we will see the pressure also during the application pressure. So during the operation, how much amount of pressure we are getting, we can also observe to this pressure gauge. You can see that again. So you can note down the amount of pressure, how much it is being applied.
like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.